What's up everyone? This is not computer related or cars. I got this right here, a WizKid Gumball machine. I don't remember the size of it, but it's about like 4 feet tall. And this thing is cracked here and it needs a cleanup. I tried looking on YouTube to see if anybody else had any videos showing how to do it, and I couldn't find anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a video. Hopefully it could help anybody else out there that has one of these or wants to get one and fix it up. Let's see if we can both figure it out here. And we got the keys, probably. Let's see what's in here. Yeah, the keys right here. Yeah, this is the key for the top. It screws on. And then we got the key for the door. We'll figure that out too. To start, you're gonna need these tools right here. You're gonna need a regular long screwdriver. Then you're gonna need one of these with one of these security tips. It's number 6, I believe. And then of course you're gonna need the keys. If you have the keys, you won't need the drill bits. You're gonna need drill bits if you gotta drill out the keyhole things. And you're gonna locks, a small screwdriver to get the screws inside the machine. An impact would probably make your life easier, or you could just put this little tip inside of the handheld ones and you'll be alright. First thing we want to do, we want to get this top off so that we could get to the screws down there. This one already had the top off. I assume that if you order this key, it should work. If it doesn't work, then you drill it out and then replace the whole lock. But you got to be careful with this because this is fiberglass. Let's go ahead and take this off. You're going to see the screw down there that we need to get to. And I believe there's one on the other side as well. Unscrew that. And then we get the other side as well. Take off the front cover screws. We're going to go ahead and keep unscrewing the rest. We get this out. First the ball comes off. There is 2 more screws inside here, and then that little plastic piece comes off. Take this one out. They're really accessible too. It's not like they're hiding. And then you get this one over here. Take that little cover off. We're gonna go and move down to the bottom. Let's see if that key that we ordered worked. Absolutely not. We're gonna have to drill this out. So hopefully this goes good on camera. I'm gonna put it on like medium. If you go too hard, it breaks. Let's go with the bigger one now. I think if I smack it. Ta-da! Okay, thumbs up. Comes off like this. You unscrew it. Turn this. The nut's in there. It's this one right there, right up top. I wonder if I could do it by hand. Oh yeah, you don't need pliers. Great. Now that that's out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and take this out. Oh, we could take that out. Pull this. Oh, I could pull on it and take it out. All right. You know what? This is the new one. Since it's newer, it's like way nicer. This is some good stuff. A little WizKid decal there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this up and then I'll get back to you when I'm done. Oh, it does come off. And this 100% makes sense now. Yeah, that makes sense. Facing forward, of course. We're just gonna go ahead and put this here. Line up the holes with the holes inside. Real simple. This piece right here sits on top of that crossbar thing that I showed you guys earlier. And then you screw in the bottom and then you put the dome on. We got it going. You gotta put this in first. Screw that one in. Through the hole, through the other hole. Come on. Alright, get those in. Nice. Take this out. Take off the nut. Real easy. Boom. There you go. Get the new one in. The new one. Bam. Boom. Get it in there the same way. Get it tight. Right on the threads. So make sure that you're in correctly before you start tightening it. Not too tight, not too loose. I think when you're done, you just pop it out. And now let's install the one on the cover. The same exact process. Alright, so we got a nut. Then we got like a lock washer. Then we got the locking thing. I don't think we were gonna take all that stuff out. We just do this. Bam. Now we stick it in here. Tighten the nut. Get it nice and tight. So we'll do that. Test it out. Get this. Just wiggle. So I use these products. This is just extra in case you have like a really scratched up machine and you want to make it look newer. And I use those products back there. It's a 3-step polish from 3M that you use on cars, obviously. Step 1 is like really, it's compound, so you could burn through the paint if you're using a buffer, but by hand you should be all right. Just make sure to work your way up. For plastic, I use this right here. Plastics. This is for like all the clear parts, like the acrylics. All right. On their website, you could buy all this stuff for their machines. Yeah, real happy with how this came out. Looks great. All right, that's it, YouTubes. Signing out.